I was out when I realized that the fire was there in the Palisades, and we live right on the edge. And I raced home to get my husband because he's in his 90s and my dog. And when I got there, you could just see we're on the top of the mountain, nothing but smoke and flames. We had to go through a half hour of darkness. It was zero visibility of smoke. We had to wear our masks in the car. We're in a hotel now. We're in Flagstaff. We're in a hotel another night. My heart goes out to all the people that have lost their houses, and the firefighters have been incredible. This is too long. It won't send. Stop it. The the fire was like a bomb exploding. It was like the end of the world. Nothing ever happened so fast.